Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to swipe in Paris while sitting on your couch in New York, or maybe you're moving soon and want to line up some dates before you even unpack, you are in the right place. Today we're talking about exactly how to change your location on Tinder. Whether you're traveling, relocating, or just trying to protect your privacy, changing your location can completely refresh your dating experience. Let's get into it. So, before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Why go through the trouble of tweaking your Tinder location? There are actually a handful of genius, strategic reasons to do this. First up, getting a head start on relocation. Imagine moving to a new city and already having a date lined up for your first weekend. Changing your location early means zero downtime. You can set up your dating life before you even arrive. Second, escaping the local dating bubble. Let's be real. If you live in a smaller town, you might have already swiped through everyone in your area. Changing your location gives you a completely fresh batch of potential matches. Third, and this is a major insider secret, the fresh face algorithm boost. Whenever you drop into a new location, Tinder's algorithm essentially treats you like a brand new user. It bumps your profile straight to the front of the line for the locals, giving you a massive, entirely free spike in visibility. Fourth, virtual globe trotting. Sometimes it's just fun to see what the dating market looks like in Paris, Tokyo, or Rome. It's a great way to satisfy your curiosity, practice a new language, or even spark up a long-distance romance. And lastly, protecting your privacy. Masking your exact coordinates hides your actual whereabouts. This is a great way to protect your personal safety and location data, especially if you live or work in a highly populated area. All right, now for the good stuff. How do you actually do it? I've got two simple methods for you today. Method 1 is Tinder Passport. This is the official, built-in way to change your location. Now, keep in mind, this is a premium feature, so you will need an active subscription to Tinder Plus, Gold, or Platinum. Method 2 is using a VPN. If you don't have Tinder Premium, a VPN is your best friend. A VPN, or virtual private network, changes your device's virtual location by swapping out your real IP address for the IP address of a VPN server. Because apps like Tinder look at your IP address to figure out where you physically are, Tinder will just assume you're sitting right next to that server. Here is exactly how to do it. First, download and install a reliable app like UFO VPN. Open it up, browse the list to choose the city or country you want to swipe in, and hit connect. Once it says you're connected, just open Tinder and boom. You are officially swiping in a brand new zip code. And there you have it, two super easy ways to change your location on Tinder. If this video helped you out, please do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech and app tips. See you next video.